As you see the login page in front of you, at first put your username and password and click the sign in button. The dashboard is open in front of you. You can also see 4 cue card in front of you. First is open complaints, second is close complaint, third is total customers, and last total due. If we talk about menu, you can see in the left side, and in the right side you can see admin button. If you want to sign out your page, click the sign out button. If we talk about product management, if you want to see your product, click the view product. You can see all the product who all you were added. If you want add any product, click the add product button. Add the product name and its code and click the save button. If you want add any customer, click the customer menu and click the add customer button. At first, fill the customer mobile number and click the go button. Fill your customer detail. After fill the detail, click the add button. Your customer has added. If you want see your customer in a list, click the customers menu and click the view customer. You can see your add customer. If you want add your customer details, click the edit button and edit his detail. After that, click the update button. If you want to see your customer profile, click the I button and you can see his all detail. If you want to register your customer complaints, you click the register complaints button. After that, fill his product detail. After fill the detail, click the submit button. After that, you can see the receipt, print it and give your customer. If your customer wants to invoice, click the generate invoice button and fill all the details related your customer. As you see, the calculation has done. After that, click the save button. If you want give your customer receipt, click the print button and give your customer your invoice receipt. If your customer wants to quotation, click the quotation button and fill all the details. After that, click the save button. If you want to print your receipt, click the print button. If you want create your customer DC, click the DC button and fill the all detail. If you want add any other product, click the add row button and fill your product detail. And if you want delete your row, click the delete button. Fill the all detail your customer product. After that, click the save button and print your receipt. If you want see your customer ledger, click the ledger button. You can see all the details your customer. If you want export it, click the export button. If you want add any vendor, click the purchase menu and click the add vendor menu. Click your vendor mobile number. After that, click the go button. Fill your all vendor details. After fill the details, click the add button. Your vendor has added. If you want edit your vendor details, click the edit vendor details button. Edit your vendor details. Click the update button. Your customer detail has updated. If you want see your all vendor list, click the purchase menu and click the view vendors menu. You can see list in front of you. If you want edit your vendor details, click the edit menu and edit your vendor details. After that, click the update button. Your vendor details has updated. If you want to see your vendor details, click the I menu. You can see your vendor details. If you want to create your purchase invoice, click the add purchase button and after that fill the all your details. If you want to add any other product, click the add row button and fill your product details. If you want to delete second row, click the delete row button. After fill the all detail, click the save button. If you want to print your receipt, click the print button. If you want to see your vendor ledger, click the ledger button. You can see all the details related to your vendor. If you want to export it, click the export button. If you want to see your all customer complaints, click the complaints menu. After that, click the view complaints menu. You can see your all customer complaints in front of you. If you want to close your complaint, click the close button. After that, select status and fill your remark and click the close complaint button. Customer complaint has closed. After that, if you want add other complaints, click the outer complaints and fill the all details related your customer. After fill the details, click the submit button. Your outer complaint says edit. If you want close it, click the close button and click after that again click the close button. Your other complaint has closed. If we talk about our next menu, reports, click the reports menu. At first you can see complaints. Click the complaints menu. You can see your all registered complaints in front of you. If we talk about next menu, invoice, if you want to see your all sales invoice, click the invoice button. You can also see all sales invoice list in front of you. If you create your customer DC, click the DC button and fill all details related to your customer. After that, click the save button, print your receipt and give your customer. If we talk about our next menu, purchase invoice, if you want to see your all purchase invoice list, click the purchase invoice. If you want see your vendor purchase invoice, click the view button. You can see purchase invoice receipt in front of you. If we talk about next menu, purchase payment history, click this menu. You can see your all purchase invoice payment history in your screen. If we talk about our next menu, quotation, click the quotation menu. You can see your all edit quotation in front of you. If you want to see your customer quotation, click the I button and you can see your customer quotation in front of you. If we talk about our next menu, DC, click the DC menu. You can see your customer DC in front of you. If you want to see your customer DC, click the view button. You can see your customer DC invoice. If you want add payment, click the add payment button. Fill the amount and fill the remark. After that, click the paid button. Print the receipt and give your customer. After that, Let's go our next menu, DC payment history. Click this menu. You can see in front of you all DC invoice payment history. If we talk about next menu, GST details, click this menu. You can see your screen, your all GST details has opened. If you want to export your GST details, click the export button. If we talk about next menu, outer complaints, click the outer complaints menu. You can see your all other complaints who all you were added. If you want to see your due payment history, click the Udhari menu. You can see your all due payment history in front of you. If you want to send them reminder, so click the due reminder button. And if we talk about next menu, setting, click the setting menu, and after that click the profile management menu. You can change your profile details as well as you can change your password. Click the change password, and after that you can change your password and click the change password button. If we talk about our next menu, setting, click the setting menu. If you want search any product, so click the search product menu. Type your product name. After that click the search button. You can see your product details in front of you. Click the view button. You can see your product purchase invoice.